Okay, everyone, we are in the last lesson of our 4 exercise. Today we are going to create our 9 exercise. What is it? It's a Fibonacci sequence and it's really great to create it. Let's copy that and paste it here. Okay, we paste it here in a text code. Let's paste it here and make it bold. I want you to pause the video and try to solve this sequence by yourself. And after solving that, you come and see the video. What Fibonacci sequence is? Fibonacci sequence is something like this. Let me just search it. No, searching not. I'm going to write you. The first number is 1. The second number is 1. The third number is 1 plus 1. And it's equal to 2. And the next number is 2 plus 1 and it's equal to 3. And the next number is 3 plus 2 and it's equal to 5. It's just the sum of 2 past number. And it's easy to make, but I want you to pause the video and try to create it by yourself and then continue watching. Okay, let's try to create it. At first we create an n1, it's equal to 1, and n2 it's equal to 1. What we are going to do, we are going to say for x in range, for example, n. What is n is? N is the number that the user wants to create the sequence. For example, each number he wants or she wants. Okay, for x in range n, what we are going to do for x in range n, we are going to create some sum. What sum? We are going to for x in range n. For example, let's say it said for x in range, let me just copy that. Copy that and run new code, and let's say for x in range 5. We want to create for x in range 5, our numbers are going to be 1, 1, 2, and 3 and 5. We have to print 5 times. Okay, let's say print x to see how many times these 4 print. Well, I forget something. Y, the n is 5. Then y, it's not right. Okay, now let's run it. The n is equal to 5 because we are putting 2 equals. Now let's run it. Okay, we have print 5 times. Now what we are going to print, we are going to, at first we are going to print n1, print n2, and then what we are going to print? We are going to print these 2 out of our 4 because they are not the part of our 4. Okay, we create them. Now we are going to do what in our 4? We are going to print n1 plus n2, and then we are going to here say n2 is equal n1, n3 is equal n1 plus n2, and then we are going to say n1 is equal to, can you guess? N1 is equal to n2, and then n2 is equal to n3. We are just changing the numbers place. Now let's run it and see what is going to happen. You see, it's happening right, but the problem is here. We want to put -2 here and then run it again to make them 0, 5, and then running. You see, the code is running great. And how we create that? We are just going to change the place of the numbers rapidly. We are going to create entry that equal to n1 to n2, and then replace the n1 by n2, and then n2 by n3. By repeating this many times, we create our sequence. For example, for 51, the numbers are done in great. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you have any question in the comments. Until tomorrow and the final lesson of our 4 exercise.